stop going. If you're not getting any better, you're getting worse, you're never going to stay the same. So obviously, like, just keep always asking questions. I mean, Elaine, she's really awesome. She'll give you a lot of answers. Yaz, Jason, just keep on asking because they want you to be successful. They just can't want you to be successful more than you want yourself.
Goals from here on out is just to take over the world, you know? One can at a time, one station at a time, one country at a time, one territory at a time. And that's basically it. My message to you guys is just don't take forever to kind of step back and just look at yourself and to see what's going on.
Recruiting, like Lee said, is a big thing. Just making sure that you are recruiting people that you want to run your business for you. You know, people, not just anybody that's just willing to do your business. Recruiting people that are willing to, that you would want to run your business. Like you would feel like you could leave your business in their hands. Those are the kind of people that you want to be looking for when you're dealing with recruiting and things like that.
I was a realist, and they helped me turn my realism into optimism. And once you're able to do that, and once you're able to see life in a positive light and see the positivity behind everything, even when a negative comes your way, there's something that you can learn. There's something positive. That's why the negatives happen. It gives you a lesson.